we are already using the power pillar to warm up the cars, though my car is still not capable to do so, as we are missing one socket. The pillar has now dried out enough to be stable, it's not shaking anymore, so let's connect this today. So it fits perfectly. Let's open it up on the back side and connect the wires. So there are these nasty screws where only a special tool fits to open them. Luckily I have this little toolbox from Parkside from Lidl. No advertisement, but it was good. Now I will solder their ends and connect them with the terminals. This is how it finally looks. There you go. And now let's test it. Let's connect it to the ZB controlled line and grab a cable from here. So I wired it. Let's check it's on. Now let's connect it. Huh? Yeah, but it's working. So it's a great success. I have now pillars like all those facilities schools and enterprises have, but it's custom made, maybe even with a more reliable foundation, a possibility to wrap up the cable and hang it, and costs would be, if we counted this garden socket, €10, iron rod maybe €2, the rebar inside, and maybe a sack of dry concrete, not a full one, but let's count a full one, which is like €8. So all in all it would be €20, including the, okay, there is this base socket stone for 2, so it would be €22.50 each, in total €45 compared to 180 each, right? Of course I spent some time with it, maybe in total 3 hours for each one, with the days between that was drying. But I don't calculate my hourly rate, as it would be then like impossible to pay, right? Great. So this cable is a bit too long. I wrapped it around the pillar to keep it short enough. Maybe I will buy a shorter one just for aesthetical reasons, but they are not cheap either. So let's just keep it here and let the neighbors puzzle what we've set up here. I think it's okay. Right, that is the last touch in this outside socket pillars setup. Thanks for watching today. I hope you liked it. If you want, you can like, share and repost and subscribe and hit the bell. I will see you in another video. Goodbye.